MicTuning 5-pin on-off rocker switch is SPST designed, single-pole single-throw, switch. It come along with a set of jumper wires, simple to install, can easily turn on, off the lights. Perfect appearance. Built in 2 premium LEDs emits cozy beam, penetrating to surface cover that illuminates the patterns, no longer fumble for the switch but clearly see it at the dark. Sturdy durability. Made of strengthened plastic and well-conductive pins, and all patterns are etched directly onto the switch surface to ensure long-lasting durability. Wide application. Standard 5-pin switch, rated at 20A 12V and 10A 24V. Available for upgrading most wiring harness to control LED light bar, LED work lights, fog lamps, headlights, tail lights and auxiliary lamps, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy switch. Nice sturdy switch. Would buy again. Plan on buying a Tacoma eventually, and if the switches from this brand will fit, I'll be buying more. Purchased this with the rocker switch socket.